Hi, this is Janet, and today I want to show you how I am going to use my ScraPerfect foils, and I'm using the blue sheet, with alcohol ink. So the first thing we're going to do is create a piece of artwork using a coated piece of paper, and this is actually a postcard that is chroma coat, but you could use Yupo paper or any kind of plastic coated paper with your alcohol inks. And so I have 4 colors here that I'm going to work with in the blue and green family. And so I have Sailboat Blue, I have Stream, I have Citrus, and I have Denim. So to start, I'm going to, oh, and excuse me, I also have this alcohol blending solution. So I'm just going to place a few drops of this on my paper so that the alcohol will move around. I also have a straw that I'm going to use to blow on the alcohol inks. So here I'm using the Stream first, and I'm just going to put a couple of drops down. And then I want those to move around the page. So just by doing this, or even blowing on it with the straw, I'll show you how that works. Okay, so now I'm going to try some citrus on this. If I can get the bottle open. I'll let those interact a little bit. Then I'll use my straw. This is Denim. I'm going to pour a little bit more of the blending solution on top and see what happens, if that will move some of the colors around. And then last, I'm using the Sailboat Blue. Okay, so I want to lighten up some of those areas. I'm going to use a little bit more of the blending solution. So like down in this area here. And get some color right here in this white spot. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry for a second and then go over it with some blowing again just to get it to dry. This is really dark down here, so I'm just going to use a little bit more blending solution here to get that to move. Alright. I really like to get those little kind of snaky trails going there. And now I'm going to take my blue foil and I am going to place it over, especially see these darker areas here where it's more concentrated ink. I'm going to put that on there and just rub on top of it. And then lift the foil up. And you can see it's starting there. You can see it's starting to stick to those areas. So I just want to do that around the piece. And you can see, let's see, there you go. So there, can you see, if I move it, can you see the foils? There you go. See the foil sticking? Isn't that neat? I just love the look of this. And then you could use that as artwork. You could use it for a card. You know, you can just decide if you want more. Sometimes I can't stop. I just really like how the foil looks on there. And you can go in and, you know, if you don't like the white areas, you can cut off the edges. But isn't that a beautiful card? That would make a beautiful card. And then you could put a nice sentiment in here. You could put the blue foil over it if you wanted, or even really just a white sentiment there would be really sweet. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. And this was using alcohol ink with the ScraPerfect foil. So I hope you like learning about this technique.